Hello everyone! Today I will guide you on how to successfully complete the FundedNext trial using StellarLite to secure a funded trading account. So first, create an account on FundedNext by visiting their website. Now choose the StellarLite option to connect your trading activity. Log into StellarLite and start trading as per the guidelines of FundedNext. Remember, you will need to maintain a risk management and achieve specific profit targets to pass the trial. Now track your progress in both the StellarLite app and FundedNext dashboard. Once you meet the trial's requirements, your account will be verified for funding. And that is how you complete the FundedNext trial using the StellarLite. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.